I'll be doing a 10 breath meditation. Simply pause for a moment and take these 10 breaths with me. Bringing your inhale in and down through your nose. See if you can feel as much breath as possible move down into the abdomen. And as you inhale, fill, and as you exhale, empty. 2 more just like that, big fills. And big empties. And after your next inhale, hold the inhale in. Pause and straighten up your spine. And as you exhale, really allow the exhale. See if you can feel the diaphragm move passively up. And we'll try that a few more times. And inhale that comes in and down, expands into the belly and the side ribs. And then maybe even the lungs move back into the upper back and shoulders. So keep taking big breaths in and down, belly, side ribs, upper back and shoulders, extend up through the spine, and see if you can allow the exhale to be passive after you hold the breath in. And then release the breath out. And now begin to attend the transition between inhale and exhale. See how smooth and seamless you can make that transition of breath. As if that point between inhale and exhale is the moment you're waiting for the rest of the breath, and then really attend that transition. Good. Okay, see if you can continue breathing in this way. Thank you for taking this brief breath break with me.